Did you know that by 2025, your iPhone could have more computing power than the computers used for the Apollo moon landing? That's some serious tech evolution. But with this incredible power comes a dark concern: what secrets are hiding beneath the surface of our beloved devices? Data privacy and security have become a major concern in today's digital age, and our iPhones are no exception. We've all heard the horror stories of data breaches, hacking, and malicious apps stealing our personal information. But what about the concerns that are closer to home? How many of us have stopped to think about the hidden features and potential privacy concerns lurking within our iPhones? One of the biggest concerns is our personal data. Have you ever stopped to think about how much data you're generating on your iPhone every day? From location tracking to browsing history, our devices are constantly collecting and storing data about us. And let's be real, who actually reads those lengthy terms and conditions when we download an app? But it's not just about the apps we download. There are built-in features on our iPhones that can compromise our privacy without us even realizing it. For instance, did you know that your iPhone has a feature that tracks your daily routine, including the places you visit and the people you meet? It's called Significant Locations, and it's enabled by default. And then there's the issue of predictive analytics. Our iPhones are constantly learning about our behavior and habits, and using that information to anticipate our next move. While it might seem convenient to have our devices anticipate our needs, it's also a bit unsettling to think about how much our iPhones know about us. As we delve deeper into the world of iPhone secrets, we find that there are numerous hidden functionalities and features that can pose risks to our privacy and security. One of the most surprising discoveries is the presence of hidden apps on our devices. These apps are not visible on our home screens, but they're still running in the background, collecting data and tracking our behavior. Another concerning feature is the way our iPhones collect and store our personal data. Did you know that your iPhone has a hidden folder called Other, where it stores all sorts of mysterious files and data? It's like a digital black hole, and we have no idea what's really going on in there. And then there's the issue of data collection practices. Our iPhones are constantly sending data back to Apple, and who knows what they're doing with it. It's like we're living in a digital surveillance state, where our devices are constantly reporting back to the mothership. But the biggest secret of all is perhaps the most alarming. During my research, I stumbled upon a hidden feature that allows Apple to access and collect our personal data, even when we think we're keeping it private. It's like a backdoor into our devices, and it's enabled by default. This means that Apple can access our photos, messages, and contacts without our knowledge or consent. This is a game changer, folks. If Apple can access our personal data without our knowledge, what's stopping other companies or even governments from doing the same? It's a slippery slope, and one that we need to take seriously. In conclusion, it's clear that our iPhones hold many secrets and hidden functionalities that can pose risks to our privacy and security. From hidden apps to predictive analytics, it's time to take a step back and reassess how we use our devices. Remember, knowledge is power, and it's up to us to take control of our personal data. Thanks for watching, and if you've had any similar experiences with your iPhone, please share them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about how to protect your smartphone from cyber threats, check out our other video on smartphone security tips.